this cute toy. So, yeah, it's late, and I think audio asleep. I'm about to go to bed after this video, and I'm about to watch a YouTube bull, and upload this, and play my Xbox, lay down and watch you, videos, and I'm going to bed. But, yeah, so, this is gonna be my third video. I thought this was my fifth video, but I checked, and this is gonna be my third video. I don't know why I thought this would be my last one. This is this one. These buttons right here. It's really two eyes, nose, like, almost mouth. And this one, and again, I told y'all this like my last video. This is like you can hold down on the spinner. This light switch. Yeah, you can do this like every day without a cube. Like, what's this? I think you have to go somewhere to play with that. Yeah. I'll let you have some sound. There. Oh, let me, put it right, let me put it like right here. Oh yes, this is not the end of the video, but yeah, you just buy like some of these stuff, but like buy them. Some of the stuff you can like this, like light switch. It's kind of easy to do this like real life, not in a cube. Like kind of like messed up. You buy a cube. Well, it's cool because you got everything. You know, buy a lot of stuff. Like it's all like in a cube. It's all in the cube. I watched this YouTuber. It's like cube, but you can spin it too. Yeah, this YouTuber I watched. He showed like he made he got oh god, I can't even talk now. He got a spinner and he took everything apart, all this apart, and make like a homemade cube spinner. He already got a spinner, but he made all of this be on it. Sweet. But he got another, he got a cube. It's like this. But it's not really like this. You can spin it. It's pretty awesome. Somebody just texted me. Wow. Yeah. Yeah guys, I'm gonna make another video, like, today, I don't know why, but, tomorrow, I said tomorrow, people said today, people will say today and all that, but I said tomorrow, it's not, like, sun out and all that, So I'm gonna make another one tomorrow. Y'all like this video? A like. If y'all don't, dislike it. So, and see y'all tomorrow.